When someone comes into my office for an estate planning consultation, one of the biggest surprises they seem to have is this. I don't start by asking, do you want a trust or do you want a will? Instead, I usually start with a much simpler question. Tell me about your family. Because estate planning isn't really about documents, it's about people. The documents are simply tools we use to protect the people that you love. I'm attorney Yanique Otto with the Otto Law Group, and today I want to walk you through the 7 estate planning documents I believe every Florida adult should understand. Now, that doesn't mean you need every single one of these documents personally. One of my favorite things to do during a consultation is tell someone you don't actually need this thing you thought you needed. Because my goal isn't to recommend the biggest, most expensive estate plan. My goal is to recommend the right estate plan for you. And that's why I want to explain what each of these documents does, why it matters, and when it may be appropriate. Let's start with the most familiar one, a last will and testament. Most people have heard of a will. A will allows you to name who should receive your property after you pass away. It also allows you to nominate a guardian for your minor children. But here's something many people don't realize. A will generally does not avoid probate. In fact, a will, I tell my clients, guarantees probate. It's often the document that gets filed with the probate court. It's an incredibly important document, but it isn't the complete estate plan many people think that it is. Document number 2, a revocable live-in trust. A trust allows you to hold and manage assets during your lifetime and provides instructions for what happens to these assets after your death. When properly funded, it can help avoid probate on many assets. It can also help manage your affairs if you become incapacitated. And I tell my clients all the time, 100% of us are going to die, but about 60% of us statistically will become incapacitated before death. Now, for some families, a trust is one of the most valuable planning tools available. For others, it may not be necessary. Again, the right answer depends on your family's goals. Document number 3, a durable power of attorney. This is one of the most important documents you can have. It allows someone you trust to handle financial and legal matters if you're unable to do so yourself. Now, many people think this document is only for older adults, but I want to tell you it isn't. Illnesses and accidents do not check your birth certificate first. Every adult should think seriously about having a durable power of attorney in place. Document number 4, a designation of healthcare surrogate. Now, this document allows you to name the person or the people you want making medical decisions if you're unable to communicate your own wishes. It gives your loved ones clarity during some of life's most difficult moments. I sometimes think of it as a power of attorney for medical stuff. Document number 5, a living will. People often confuse this with the last will and testament. Now, these are completely different things. A living will explains your wishes regarding life-prolonging procedures if you have a terminal condition or are in an end-stage medical situation. It gives your family guidance during incredibly emotional circumstances. Document number 6, a HIPAA authorization. This document allows the people you've chosen to receive protected medical information about you. Without it, even close family members may have difficulty accessing important medical information while you're still alive. It may seem like a small, insignificant document, but it can make a very big difference. Document number 7, a ladybird deed. For many Florida homeowners, this can be an excellent planning tool. A ladybird deed can allow your home to pass to your beneficiaries without probate, while allowing you to maintain control of the property during your lifetime. But remember, a ladybird deed solves one problem. A trust can solve many. The right choice depends entirely on your family's goals. As you can probably tell by now, estate planning isn't about collecting documents. It's about building a plan. Some people need all 7 of these. Some people only need a few. Some people need documents we haven't even talked about today. And that's why every estate plan should be tailored to the individual, not copied from a checklist. If there's one thing I hope you can remember from this video, it is this. The best estate plan isn't the one with the most documents. It's the one with the right documents for your family. And my goal on this channel is simple. I want Florida families to have access to clear, practical estate planning information before they ever need it. If that's something you value, I'd love to have you as part of this community. And if you know someone who has been putting off their estate plan because they don't know where to start, please share this video with them. Sometimes all it takes is understanding the basics to finally take the first step. If you'd like to hear more practical advice about estate planning and get tips like this, consider subscribing. Every week, I share information designed to help Florida families avoid costly legal mistakes and make informed decisions with confidence. Remember, the best estate plan isn't the one with the most documents, it's the one with the right documents for your family. Until next time, plan wisely, live confidently. I'm Attorney Otto, and I'll see you in the next video.